Yo, remember back on the bully when cats used to harmonize like, yo, my men and my women, don't forget about the dean. This is not the most the king. Yo.
Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Yamaya Mason. Some of you may know me and some of you may not, but if you don't, go ahead and click that subscribe button so you can get to know me. So today I have an Opali haul. So I've never shopped from Opali before. Never, you feel me? I've always seen their stuff and I'm like, That's one of the reasons why I chose Opali. Like, I saw their contour line and I was like, hold up, baby, is it basic for me? And I'm ready to try them on. Like, I've been feeling the material, you guys. This material, I don't know what it is, but I'm gonna figure it out and put it on the screen because I like the material, so I wonder how it's gonna feel on my skin, you feel me? Yeah, I'm really excited about this trial on, so let me stop rambling. You guys can tell I'm really excited. I've never purchased from Opali before, and I wanna see what they're about, you feel me? Because if this goes good, your girl gonna be buying some more from Opali, okay? Alright, y'all, let's get into it. Oh, y'all, look, I'm glad I read the little tag on here because I was just gonna cut and be like, this gonna mess up my little review and everything. Like, I don't like the little tag. But no. The tag says, girl, once this ribbon is removed, you can no longer return me. So we're gonna be trying them on with the tags because I don't know, like, this is my first time. I don't know if the sizing's gonna be right. I don't know what's what, like who's who, you feel me? So let's get into it. Alright, y'all, so this is how the beige crop top fits. I'm gonna be honest, I don't know how I feel about this. The reason why I say this, like, I have a mirror right here that I'm looking. I feel like it's a little tight, you know. I feel like I should have gone up a size just for it to fit, like, comfortable. I don't know, it's not like terrible because it's not like going in and digging into my sides and everything, but it is like a double. It's snatching me in. Like, maybe I need to take off the bra and see, but also I'm noticing, like, right here, it's kind of like, you know, looking like snug, and I'm like, okay, is that how it's supposed to look? But it's a cute top. I just feel like it may be like a little tight, but I feel like if I go up into a 6, I don't know. Let me take off the bra and we're gonna see. So you don't need to wear a bra with this, but you guys let me know, like, should I go up a size, should I not? Because I'm not upset with it. Like, it's tight, it reminds me of like contour clothing, you feel me? But also I'm kind of like, does it need to be this tight? Like, that's my question, you feel me? Because it doesn't feel like, I don't know how to explain it. It doesn't feel bad, but it's just like around the shoulder part right here, it just feels like a little, But without the bra, it does look pretty good. And let's go up to a 6 because I feel like when I wash it, it may shrink, you feel me? But y'all let me know. So next we have on the regular high-waisted split hem, and y'all, these fit cute. These fit, look, the booty. I'm trying to do my little squats, but I ain't got a booty like that. But either way, this is cute. I love the bottom so much. You guys can even see how it looks from the side. Like, I'm not sucking anything in or anything. This is how it looks and stuff. I'm a fan of it. I'm really a fan. I love the split hems and everything, and these are perfect. I'm 5'3". They fit me really good. I feel like they're not too, you know, high-waisted, but they're just right, especially for like someone like me that has a short torso. Like, I'm not mad at it. I'm really not. Like, these are really comfortable, and I can see myself just wearing this on a regular, you feel me? But I can already tell, like, these pants, I'm gonna be wearing them throughout fall and winter because this will look so bomb with like some brown and everything, like really styling up and stuff. And even on chill days when I want to just like have these pants on, maybe a brown jacket and stuff, some sneakers that look dope with it, like, I could pull so many different fits with it. And that was my whole goal when it came to like buying fall basics. I just want to buy stuff that I can like mix and match with different. Once again, it just doesn't make sense to be buying all this stuff and not have the basics in my closet. It does not make sense at all, you feel me? So yeah, this is cute. Y'all let me know. So this is the frame square neck crop tank top, and then this is the Comfort Zone petite high-waisted pants, okay? So I got one pair of leggings in regular size and one in petite because I want to be able to see like the difference because I do have a short torso. I say is the crop top, I'm in love. Like, I'm going after this, I'm going online, I'm gonna buy the black one and every other color. And the reason is because with these type of tops, like, I always see them and everything, but they'll be like slinky material. They'll be that type of slinky material. Me personally, I don't like how that material feels on my chest and stuff. It doesn't feel comfortable or anything, but this right here is mad comfortable. Like, I'm here for it. The material that these like clothes and everything are, I'm gonna put them right here because I'm here for this material, okay? And I always have this issue with like certain tops and stuff that there's like too much space right here with the arms, and like my boobs will hang over and be like, ugh, you know? But this one right here, it's like just enough space and everything to where like I can feel secure. My girls is good, we good. Yeah, I'm buying every color. Like, this is bomb. Leggings, on the other hand, I don't know how to feel about them yet. I feel like I need to try on the black pair just to see, okay, what we working with, what's up, you know, just so I can compare if I like these pair, if I like the petite or the regular size. So far, what I can say is that they're very comfortable. They are like double-sided, so they're not gonna see nothing, you feel me? The only thing I'm not really caring for is just, I feel like you guys can literally, let me see how the regular ones look, because these ones, they go like right above my ankle, and I'm like, you know, yeah. I don't know if I really care for that. I want to see how it looks if they are a little bit longer. So let's try those on real quick, because I've been talking about them a lot, huh? Oh yeah, I'm here for the black ones. The black ones are 10 times better. Like, I'm loving these so much. Look where they end up. They end up like right here. It's not the biggest difference, but it is a difference. Like, I can feel, for me, you feel me? Like, I can feel just that slight, it's probably like maybe like a 1-inch difference, and I can personally feel it. I just don't really like my ankles to be out there like that. Like, I'm not trying to be out here flooding, you feel me? Again, these are the Comfort Zone high-waisted full-length leggings in black and the regular size, not petite. I'm a fan. Like, they feel good. I feel like my booty looks good, and I feel like I have enough space in between like my boobs and my stomach, you know, which I feel like with having a short torso, I always run into is that like these leggings will be like all the way up here, and I'm like, hey girl, how's it going? And no, that's not it. That's not it at all. So let me get into the next one, and next we have the soft focus scoop neck long sleeve in the shade black, and it is like a crop top, you guys can see like that. And I'm digging it. Like, I'm liking my chest being out and open like this. I don't mind it at all. This size fits comfortable, and the crazy part about it, this is a size 4, because everything I got was in a size 4. I don't know if it's like the certain line that I got, or if it's just like the difference between the long sleeves and the short notice. But this fits very, very comfortable. It's a size 4. I don't feel like it's too snug, but it's just right, you know, like in all the right places and stuff. I'm a fan. I'm here for it. Yeah, the black is staying with me. I'm here for this, okay? And I also did buy the white one, same size and everything, and I think I'm gonna go back and get the brown one, because this is so cute. I'm just thinking about like styling this with like simple things and stuff, or if I wanted to, I could put a scarf on with it on some days, you feel me? Like, I could really, look, so many ideas. I'm just really happy that I'm getting the quality basics, so then I can make those outfits, you feel me? I can't. I have to pull paper for this one. So these are the finer detail seam front wide leg trousers, and you guys already know this is the soft focus scoop neck long sleeve top in white. So I want to show you all how the top is like not see-through at all, and I really do love them. Now let's get into these wide legs trousers. It's like I like them, but I just don't really care the fit for me. And the reason why I say that is because I have like, you know, little hip dips right here. So it's like, it ends up on my hip dips if I wanted to, but it kind of like, you know, snugs everything in right here, so it doesn't allow for my waist to be like snatched or, you know, look nicer and everything. And then when I pull them up, because I'm like, oh, okay, you know, there's just a little bit of room right here, like not a whole bunch, probably like 1 inch, maybe 2. When I pull them up to, you know, get them right, this is what I talk about like when I'm wearing high-waisted stuff, how like literally I'll only have like just a little bit of room, because right now I feel like compared to other high-waisted stuff that I was wearing, that landed like right here, you know, and that actually makes a very big difference. So I don't know how I feel about them. Like, they're cute, but I don't think they're for me, like for my body shape, you know, and that's okay. That's a-okay. You know, if like they would have made these like a little bit lower, not as high-waisted, they would look beautiful on me, because low-rise jeans look beautiful on short torsos. Like, chef's kiss. I love low-rise jeans. These just, they're not doing anything for me. They're not giving me anything. It's just, yeah, it's there. It's not giving, you feel me? Actually, guys, I hope you all really did enjoy this video. I hope you guys enjoyed everything that I tried on, showing you guys how they feel, how they look and everything, what you should size up on, what you should size down on. And if you have a short torso, you already know, these pants, they ain't for us. They are not for us, okay? But I'm just excited to be doing a lot of new things this year. But I'm just excited for like a lot of new things. I really had to sit down, because you guys saw I haven't done a try on like a little minute, and figure out like what I'm doing, where I'm going with that, you know? And I feel like I got it now. I feel like I really do. You feel me? Like we're starting off with the basics and stuff to help build the wardrobe, and then we can go from there. You feel me? It was not making sense to me to continue to buy from these brands, from different brands and everything, and not have like a solid basics or a solid like at-home wardrobe for myself, you know? So yeah, fall basics right now, I really had to like shop for them and stuff, because think about it, it's not gonna be this fall, it's gonna be another fall that I'm gonna have to get the basics, so might as well.